Sometimes life throws a curveball, and you just have to bite the bullet. But wait, what does that actually mean? And why a bullet? To bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and endurance, even if you don't want to. It's about accepting an unavoidable hardship and getting through it, often without complaining. Think of it as toughing it out. This phrase has a surprisingly grim origin, dating back centuries to the battlefield, long before modern medicine. Imagine a soldier or patient needing surgery in an era without anesthesia. The pain would be unbearable. To help them cope with the agony, they were given a lead bullet to clench between their teeth. Biting down hard on the bullet was a way to distract from the pain, prevent screaming, and keep their jaw from dislocating. Let's say your boss gives you an unpopular task. You might say, "I don't like it, but I guess I'll just have to bite the bullet and get it done." Or maybe your friend wants to go to a movie you really don't want to see, but you go anyway to be supportive. You'd tell yourself, "Okay, I'll bite the bullet and sit through this superhero sequel for them." Perhaps you need to make a big purchase, like a new car, and the price is higher than you hoped. You might sigh and say, "It's expensive, but I need reliable transport, so I guess I have to bite the bullet and pay." A common mistake is using it for minor inconveniences. This phrase is for genuinely tough, unavoidable situations. It implies a sense of grim determination, not just mild annoyance. It's typically informal but widely understood. You wouldn't use it in a formal business report, but it's perfect for everyday conversation. So, biting the bullet is all about facing hardship head-on, enduring the unpleasant, and getting through it with resolve. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more native lingo insights. Next time, we're breaking down another expression that sounds wild but means something completely different. Don't miss it.